Well, since having a windscreen fitted, I've been struggling to get the chrome moulding in. Nearly there. There's just a bit in the corner over there. So I've had a bit of a break from that because it's doing me bouncing. And I've started sorting out, ready for the carpet set to go back in. Now, I've repainted the bits that stick out that hold the seats that are going to stick out from the carpet, so you'll see them. So I've painted them in body colour. I've also re-satin blacked everything that's underneath these covers I've just put on. So that's all done. I've put these covers in. They've got to come out again to be cleaned, but the fastenings don't fit properly, so the brackets need adjusting. So I'm going to remove them so that the bolt actually goes in and holds it properly. But they've got to come out to be cleaned anyway. And also, I've just taken the carpet sets out of storage. They was all sealed in polythene bags. But as you can see, they're all going to need a good clean before they go back in. A lot of this has to be glued on all the different positions. So starting Monday, it's Saturday now, I'm going to get the wet vac cum cleaner, whatever you call them, out and start cleaning all these up. And then once they're dry, I can start sticking them back where they go. Also today, I've been refitting all the under dash panels. I've had to go and buy some cup screws because I can't find the originals. The cup washers, sorry. You can see I've used some on this trim. So things are progressing, getting towards, once the inside's done, I've got to look at the mechanical side of it, of recommissioning and getting the engine running and stuff like that, because it stood for a long time. But it's all coming together slowly now. It looks like I've got 3 or 4 days next week to be able to crack on with this. That doesn't mean that I can get it all chucked in a couple of days, because a lot of these panels are going to be damp and need to dry before I can glue them on. So nothing can actually be fitted till it's dry, but you can see I've got a few hours of cleaning before these go in. It should come up nice, but it is starting to look like a car again. I've got to go and find the underlay. That's Mexican, as you know, to get this lot sorted out. So I'm going to have a look what's in storage now, get the seats out because they'll need cleaning, and hopefully 3 or 4 days we should start seeing some progress, although I'll be doing lots of cleaning before then. Right then, I'll see you as it goes back together.